On this video we're going to be making a base with wheels for a Samsung speaker. Recently bought the speaker but soon realized the speaker weighs about 60 pounds. And it will be heavy to even move it around the house. Searched on the Samsung website and even on Google. And couldn't find any wheels related to the speaker. This is a Samsung MXT70. 1500 watts. Then I decided to make my own base with wheels. I started by putting a piece of 3/4 of an inch plywood on the bottom of the speaker, and using a straight edge mark the edges as much as possible, remove the piece and finish marking the lines ready to be trimmed. Using my skill saw sled, that I had built in the past, removed all the excess wood. Once the base was done, I marked 2 inches for the sides. The sides will be made by 1/2 inch plywood, since the base is 3/4 of an inch. The inside of the base will be 1 inch and 1/4. After cutting all the pieces, continue by cutting all ends at 28 degrees. Here we have all the pieces together, ready to be glued. I placed the 3 long pieces together, and marked 4 inches from each end, and drilled holes for screws using a countersink bit. Applied glue and clamp it. I will be installing 3-inch screws. Repeat the same steps on all 3 sides. Move on to the small pieces, same steps, only in this case we will be installing 1.5 inch screws. Once the base is done, let the glue dry. I will be sanding it with 220 grit sandpaper, and finish it with 320 grit. Once the base is ready, clean and remove all dust particles. I will be using black spray from Rust-Oleum. I painted the inside, then put 3 nuts on the table to place the base. This will keep the base from sticking on the paper and complete painting the outside. Let the paint dry for about 12 hours, and continue by installing the casters. I will be using 2-inch casters, 2 fixed and 1 swivel. And here we have finished the base for the Samsung speaker. I don't have the exact measurements, but if you do want to build this base, just go along the video. Now I can move the speaker around the house or backyard.